You haven't got the minerals for that.
Corporal Faraday reporting in with a sitrep, commanders. Amon's forces are summoning void shards all across the city. We're looking at total devastation if they're allowed to activate. I need you to take down those shards while there's still time.
Get more minerals. Be industrious. You need to dig up more minerals. You haven't got the minerals for that. Get more minerals. Be industrious. You need to dig up more minerals.
Enemy attack imminent. Prepare defenses. Many toxic
Get more
nests
minerals.
ready.
Be industrious.
Deployment advised.
You haven't got the minerals for that.
Hostile Zerg encountered.
You need to dig up more minerals.
Toxic nests ready. Deployment advised.
Scanner's picking up a void shard near your location. Your objective is to take it out.
Understood. Destruction imperative. Hive cluster targeted for attack. Eliminate incoming enemies.
A new mutation. It's one of ours.
Sensing cloaked units. Detection advised.
And that's how it's done. Good work. Just gotta do the same to the rest of them. Scanners are picking up multiple void shards. Our mission is to obliterate them.
You need to dig up more minerals.
Detecting enemy forces. Templar, prepare to intercept.
I'm told your third mutation is finished. Your allies could use backup. They might return the favor. A new mutation is one of ours. Your force is under attack. Take control of the situation.
Looks like you've nixed another void shard, Commanders. I'm impressed.
Enemy defeat inevitable.
The enemy's confronting our allies' forces. You haven't got the minerals for that. They're hitting your base. Spring the trap.
Another void shard has been destroyed.
It is done. The objective has fallen.
Multiple void shards are active on the field. Eliminate them with extreme prejudice.
The enemy's confronting our allies' forces. Get more minerals. Be industrious. Mutation is complete. Just why would you even want to morph that there?
The enemy moves against us. We will meet them head on.
Potential for multiple toxic
Your
nests
allies could use
must
backup.
use.
They might return the favor.
That pirate scum ransacks the city at a time like this? I know it's a personal request, but if you can, please kill them all.
Vespine. You need to
Void
dig up
shard
more.
eliminated. Keep it up.
Results unsurprising. Swarm efficient. Ruthless.
Enemy has ambushed our drone. Allied forces are under attack. Do what you will. The enemy's in our base. Pay attention.
Sharing Zerg regeneration.
The enemy has begun
in
hostilities.
progress.
Your allies could use backup. They might return the favor.
And another void shard crumbles into dust. Well done, Commanders.
Destruction verified. Hostile organisms approaching. Must secure perimeter.
Not today, Amon. We'll obliterate every void shard you stick in the ground.
Expected outcome. Proper tactics applied.
Only one group of shards left. Crush them into dust and end this fight. These pirates just don't learn, do they? Commanders, it's time to educate them.
Allied forces are under attack. Do what you will.
Regeneration commencing. Will heal armies.
Your vessel. The enemy's confronting our allies' forces.
Men
Our
available.
allies are in a bind. Again.
Now that's what I like to see. Void Shard terminated.
Thus to all enemies of the Templar.
Our allies are in a bind. Again. Your allies could use backup. They might return the favor.
Enemy inbound. Must defend Hive Cluster.
A bonus objective will expire soon.
Excellent work, Commanders. That Void Shard is toast.
Well fought.
There is impossible.
Regeneration commencing. Will
The enemy's
heal
confronting our
armies.
allies' forces.
It'll take more than a few Void Shards to defeat the Dominion.
We have dealt a powerful blow to our enemy. Victory is ours.
It's all in order.